Hi, my name is Kevin, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you a little bit about care for your router. When you're done with your router for the day, same with most tools, is a really, really good idea to blow off all the excess dust out of the machine. It's really easy for dust to get worked up in there into the moving parts, and you really don't want that. You want that as clear as possible so this machine can run really, really well. Another thing you want to do is to wax the bottom of this so that when you're routing, you're getting nice, smooth movement over the wood. So you want to keep this bottom waxed really well. For your router bits, as you can see, there's a lot of buildup on this, and that's pitch from the wood. Woods like pine are really resinous, and so they can really build up with gunk. So what you want to do is you want to get some oven cleaner from a store, or hardware stores will often sell bit cleaner, and put that on there and let it eat away at that, and then get a toothbrush and scrub it out and do that. And that way you're getting a nice, smooth, sharp edge on the bits that isn't gunked up with all this resin and pitch.